Hello guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub VBA tutorials. In today's video, I am going to discuss about how to insert a breakpoint in macro code and how to use a debug option in VBA. And now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. And this is the spreadsheet that I created with the product name as well as the price of those product names. And just I created 4 products here from product 1 to product 4 with the respective prices. And also I inserted a command button here and I assigned a macro to it. And now I am open the macro VBA editor for that macro for that sub procedure. Here workbook is the procedure name. What I am doing is I am just creating a very small example. Here the main idea is to illustrate the debug option here. So for that what I am doing is first of all I am creating k is equals to I am retrieving the values from that price list workbooks of book 1, or directly I can write it as the worksheets of sheet 1. Sorry, the sheet is capital 1. Please be careful about this case sensitive while writing the sheet names. And range whatever the value that you want. Here I need a B2 value because B2 value is nothing but a first price value list. Here this row value is B2 and this row value is B3. So I am collecting the B2 and B3 row record values. So I am taking the value and storing it in the V. Similarly P value I am collecting worksheets sheet 1 dot range of B3 dot value. So what I have is I have both the B2 value and B3 value in K and P respectively. So what I am doing is I am just doing some mathematical calculations here. Some val1 equals to K plus P as well as val2 is equals to K minus P. So what I am doing is I am just printing here message box of val1 and message box of val2. I am writing it in the separate message boxes because to illustrate I am going to insert the breakpoints here to illustrate something. So what I am doing is I saved it. So I am just hovering it in the variables like k, p and val1. Here initially it is showing nothing. Whenever you are executing in the suppose what I am doing is I am going to this spreadsheet and clicking here bin button. So it is showing that the first sum of B2 and B3 value is 1898 as well as the subtraction of B2 and B3 value is 100. So it is working fine. Now what happens is I am going to this code and here while executing the code I am not getting any errors here. So what I want to do is suppose if your program gets some error, so what you want to find out where in which statement you found the error, because if it is a compile time error then obviously we will get some error statement while writing the code itself while you entered to a new line. But if it is a runtime error then it won't show it during the compile time. So if you run it then only you are going to get that type of errors. So at that point of time if you want to know at what statement your code goes from, then there is an option in the VBA like debug option. So for that what you need to do is first of all you need to insert a breakpoints here. So at what statement, suppose whatever the statements that you want to find out what is the output for that particular statement till that point of execution. If you want to know that output then you need to put some breakpoints. So for that what I am doing is I am just adding a breakpoint here. If you want to add some breakpoint, please enter this you can directly enter if you directly click it on the left side of the small space, or you can also do it manually right clicking in the white space and click here in the toggle button and press the breakpoint button here. So once you done it, so what I need is I want to breakpoint every statement. So I am just clicking every statement that I have irrespective of the message boxes. So I am saving it. So now what I am doing is I am debugging. So click here in the debug option in the top menu bar, and here the initial step is F8. For every time you want to go to next step, for executing the entire macro code, you need to press the F8 in your keyboard. So for the first step I am clicking here, so the execution will start from here. I am running it. So the first execution, if you want to know the value, you can directly hover on that particular variable where you want. Here the worksheet, if I hover it in the worksheet, so it won't pressing anything. So here initially k is empty, so again I am pressing F8 here. So if I hover in the k value, it is showing the 999, so that is the value of the P2. So again it will show P as empty. Again if I enter F8, so the value changes to 899, so it is working fine. So again in the value 1 it is empty, but here k is 999 and P is 899, so it is working. The k and P values are fine. So but here value 1 is empty, because at that point of time the above lines are executed, but that line won't execute it. So again if you press F8, then it will go to next statement, and that particular line will get executed, and the value 1 will be stored. So the value 1 will be 1898. Similarly value 2 is empty. If you again press F8, then it will go to next line, and the value 2 will be updated. Then the message value 1 and value 2 are already assigned previously in the above statements, so these two values will get printed. So this is how the breakpoint and debug option will work. So if you want to remove this, you can directly run it from the VBA editor itself. So that is how it works. So thank you guys, that's all for this video.